How to fix Outriders freezing and stuttering on Windows PC. 1. Install all Windows updates. 2. Roll back to your previous driver if you can, for NVIDIA users. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Switch to DX11. To do so, type force DX11 into Outriders launch options section. 5. Verify integrity of game files in Steam. 6. Disable Steam overlay. 7. Close unnecessary programs via WTM. 8. Run Outriders Win64 shipping.exe as admin. 9. Add Outriders installation folder into controlled folder access. 10. Link Steam account to NX account at https://square-enix-games.com/n_us/home2.